start from my drum test, my journey.
Okay. Yeah, just better. Gayatri, how are you? Okay. Mock test, but not
Know only basic things, which is brake and which is accelerator, like that only I know. After that, Ahmed trained me. First time,
Hello everyone. How's everyone? I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah. Today our sister Gayatri, she passed driving test. Congratulations, Gayatri.
thank you, brother.
Well done. Finally, huh?
Yeah, finally I got.
Yeah, she passed second test. Sorry, she passed second attempt, and she was trying first attempt, but there is some mistakes. It's happened with Gayatri, so she learned from our mistake, and alhamdulillah today she passed her second attempt. So congratulations, sister.
Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome. And tell me about the first test when you are going with the examiner. What the mistake you did?
Yeah, I will start from my drum test, my journey.
Okay. Yeah, just better. Good idea.
Okay. Actually, I meet Ahmed through my friend. They also went driving, and I met him through my that friend only. And when I start the driving, I know only basic things, which is brake and which is accelerator, like that only I know. After that, Ahmed trained me. First time, I did more mistakes. I don't know how to control the steering when turning. I
Yeah.
don't know that. Ahmed, brother, my brother trained me, and he take me to the drum practice daily, 1 hour, 2 hour, like that. He spent more time with me in drum, and also I like drum because when you drive the drum you will go slow so you can control the steering. So I love the drum test and I passed the drum test very easily. And for the road I did more and more mistakes. My hands are shivering and I don't know how to control the steering when we move fast. The here we having the speed limit, no, 60, 80, like that. When the speed limit comes like 60, 80, I don't know how to control the steering when we turn. uh, Suddenly when we turn the left or right, he will tell me turn right, left, turn right, like that. I don't know how to control the steering. He taught me very very. He spent more and more patience with me for driving. And well, I'm actually I went to India vacation for after I finished my drum test. I took 4 month gap. I returned back from India after 4 month only. After that, I started to practice road. That everything I forget. For frankly, I'm saying I forget everything. After that, he started from first. He is patient, very patient. After that, when I go for road test for first time, I am really really shivered. I don't know how to. My hands are sweating. I don't know why, but I'm confident till the day before the test. At the test time I got shivering what the police will do, what my Ahmed will scold or what, I don't know, like that. I'm having too much of pressure, under pressure. Actually first time I did the mistake when I'm turning. My examiner told me to turn left. I turned left without seeing the left side. The car was there, so he failed me. I know I did mistake. That's why they failed me. After that, he practiced. He spent more. he advised me a lot, and I trained myself with confidence. So I achieved today that my second attempt I passed. I really thanks to my Ahmed brother who made me to pass. I thank you so much, brother.
You are
Thank
welcome.
you. It made me this day made me very very precious to me. Very very thank you, brother.
You are
So
welcome.
my kind advice is for all the students, don't be pressure or shiver anything. If you feel shiver or something, just get out from the car before the test. Just get out from the car, just do walk, breathe the fresh air, you will get confident.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, be confident yourself and don't be overconfident, it let you be the down. So please get out from the car and get the fresh air, be cool, get ready, be confident, and my all best wishes to all the students. uh, Ahmed will train you better and best. So don't worry about that. You will get pass at first attempt itself. My best wishes. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
You are welcome, Gayatri, and all the best, inshallah. Drive safely on the road. I am really happy for you today. You passed second time, that's okay, not bad. You try your best always. So thank you, and take care always the road while you're driving, okay? And all the best to other students to pass the exam, inshallah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And one more. Yesterday, when my last day of practice, Ahmed told me, I told him that examiner, when I'm getting shiver, when I saw the examiner like that, he told me he is not a ghost, not a, he is also human. Think him as a friend. Like that, he told.
Yeah.
That is a main hint for every student. Just think, he is a passenger or anything you think and you drive. You just focus on your road only.
Yeah.
It will get you pass. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you, inshallah, another video. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Okay.